You know those ones that you'll be seeing the color line and you'll be like, what type of quality of outfit is this? And then sometimes you will see the outfit, you will know this one and you have to let go of it. Or the shoes that you know that you've worn it and even your grandma will never collect that shoes as a gift for you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time in my channel, my name is Magdalene. So I always share lifestyle, fashion and travel vlogs on this channel. So if this is what I've shared is what you like and is what you can relate with, or what you think somebody that's close to you can relate with, please share my vlog and let's give this video a thumbs up after 100 likes. So I hope you guys will like the video. So today I'll be talking about a recent decluttering I did on my closet. I did a decluttering since it's 2022. We're trying to push out things that we really don't wear, things that just pile up in our closet that we really don't need. So I'm going to talk about these things that you have to let go of. Let them just go, you know. Some other things that you really don't need in 2022 because it's a new year. So if you guys like the video, let's get into it. I want to talk about this bracelet I got from Paparrazi brand. It's a US brand from them, but their jewelries and the necklaces are for just $5, and you guys can see it's really beautiful with the rhinestone in front of it, and its quality because it's stretchy. It's not like all those weak China jewelries, and it's $5 for everything. So I hope you guys can patronize her. I'm going to link her info in my description below. So guys, let's talk about things that need to get out of your closet this year 2022. The first thing I will talk about are outfits that really don't fit. You know that these outfits, they are either too big for you or they are too small for you. You have to let go of them. There's one outfit I bought in a rush and I knew it was not my size. Like, you knew it was fit for a baby and it's not meant for me. So I had to let go of it. So I had to let go of things that I know that even if I keep it, I won't wear it. So just basically look through your closet of things that you really don't wear, that you know they don't fit anymore, or they're oversized, or you need to get them tailored. Just sieve them out. And if you really need to get them tailored, if they're still of good qualities, take them out and get them tailored so you know you can still rewear them, remove them or reuse them, because we're actually talking about doing sustainable fashion these days, so that we will not be clogging the head with a lot of stuff. But anyway, let's go of things that you really don't wear, you know they don't fit anymore. Just let's go. Another point I want to make is outfits that you know they are no longer your style, or they are out of trend. There are many of us that will always move with trend. Whatever is trending is what we buy. Though some of us have classics in our closet, like me, I prefer to have staple basics and a few trendy outfits, because when the trend is off, you'll be like, can I still wear this? Is this still on style in the next year? So if you're not much of, you have an outfit or outfit that you know they are not in trend, or you feel you don't wear them anymore, they are no longer in your style, because with time people's style actually evolve. Things that I used to wear when I was younger, I won't wear them now that I'm older. So if you know that outfit that's not really your style anymore, you just have to let them go, donate it, trash it if you need to let them go. The other thing I want to talk about that you have to let go of this year are outfits or shoes or accessories that are already faded, or already letting go, or already bad. You know this outfit is already faded. You know those ones that you'll be seeing the color line and you'll be like, what type of quality of outfit is this? And then sometimes you will see the outfit, you will know this one and you have to let go of it. Or the shoes that you know that you've worn it and even your grandma will never collect that shoes as a gift from you. Or an handbag there is leather and you don't even know whether it's still leather anymore. All these kind of things, you have to let go of them in 2020. To throw them out of your closet, because you really don't need to help you actually declutter your closet, to let go of things in your closet, to actually know the ones that you still really need or the ones that you still wear. It's just better you group your outfits. Go through your closet, group them. These ones are basics, these ones are trendy, these ones are the ones I wear to church, these ones are for work. Just group them into different categories. Then you begin to realize that some outfits are no longer useful to you. The ones that you need to donate them. We actually have brands on Instagram and some other brands that actually help you resell your items. So if you want to sell them, resell your item to all these brands, like the thrifted style, or I'll link their info down. You can actually sell your good outfits to them, outfits that you know that are still very valuable, they are classic, that you know that they're no longer your style. You can just sell them off and get some money out of it. Then you can also donate, because a lot of people need clothes. You can clothe people, you know, like if you are a Catholic, you say it's corporal work of mercy, you're going to at least help people to wear clothes that you're not wearing anymore. So you just donate them. And if you have younger siblings, it's time to let go of all those outfits that you are ordering, that you are saying, no, I can't let go of it, because you know, if you actually have to group your outfit into different sections, you realize that all the outfits that you feel like my closet is so full, I don't know what to wear, there's nothing really there. Sometimes you have, maybe it will open your eyes to see that maybe you have too many tops and no bottoms to wear with it, or maybe you have too many skirts and no tops. Because recently I even discovered that I even need more tops. So that, like, if I had not gone through that declutter earlier this year, I wouldn't have noticed that I needed a particular type of outfit. Or they just keep buying this trend, that trend, and that trend, and you now realize that you're always looking for what to wear. I want to go out, I don't know what to wear. I want to lounge at home, I don't know what to wear. So grouping your outfit will help you know that, okay, I've sectioned this outfit, and this ones are still relevant to my style, these ones are still very useful to me, this one I wear it when I'm lounging, this one I'll wear it when I'm at home, this one I'll wear it when I'm going to church. So it's just better you declutter and go through your outfit this year. And if you need to donate, if you need to sell them, and if they are already worn out, bad outfits that you know that even if you donate it, nobody will let it from you, just trash it and help the head. So guys, if you like this kind of videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and